In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile picture on Windows 10. This is actually pretty easy, so we're going to start right away. So what you want to do is you want to just be on your home screen, click on the start menu right here, then go to the settings right here, and this will open up all the settings. And we want to click on the account settings. This will take you over to this page right here on your info, and you can see your profile picture right here. And what you want to do, where it says create your picture, you can either, if you have a camera, just take a picture of yourself, or browse for one, which most people probably will do. So I'm going to do that as well. So I'm just going to click on it, and this will load up my files. So I'm going to select where is it at, this one for example. As you can see, it has now been changed, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.